Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl,
Hannah.
back with another video. I have very extravagant glittery makeup on, I know. I wanted it to look like I was crying glitter. I just wanted to hang out outside with you guys and kind of do like a hanging with Han style video. I am packing to go out of town with Abel and my parents this weekend. So lately I've tried something every single morning and it has been, I don't know, it's been kind of working for me really well. Cause you know, as soon as I wake up, I'll have these thoughts that are kind of like meh, you know, about myself, like, oh, you know, still struggling YouTuber, wow, good morning, to that. But then I'm like, I have to stop and I have to tell myself, wait, Hannah, you actually don't know anything today. Like, you don't know what idea you could have today, you don't know who you could meet today, you don't know the connections that could be made today, and you just have to give it a chance. You have to literally open your mind and stop putting those blanket statements over yourself. Stop waking up and being like, oh, still fat, I'm always gonna be fat. Like, when you could wake up and be like, wow, today is actually a new day, it's like all unknown, I could actually give something a shot. And like, as soon as you start, you know, making all these blanket statements and limiting thoughts about yourself, that is when you start to think you know everything, when you don't know anything even about yourself, yet your thoughts shape your reality. So if you keep thinking these blanket statements of yourself and you keep thinking I'm to this and I'm to that, I mean, that's what you believe, so that's how you're gonna act, right? We all act on what we believe, and so that shapes your reality. I am so done waking up and like feeling like I don't want to wake up because of my life I've been living. You don't have to be stuck in the past if you don't want to. Like, it's literally all taking that step away from who you think you are and like realizing you are so infinite, you know? Like, you're so infinite. Why are you putting yourself in this box? Like, look guys, we are changing and growing beings. We are like freaking flowers. And with that comes the cycle of life. You feel really freaking sad sometimes and mad and things don't go the right way, but you have to pick your battles and you can't be against yourself. Be on your team, you know, be on your own side. Don't be tearing yourself apart in your inside of your head, because if you go that way, that's just what your whole world is gonna be. Your whole world is gonna be you feeling so separate from the world, and everyone's going to seem so, I don't know, distant from you, and that's because you're believing that. But we're taking all of the excitement and all of the mystery away from our days when we wake up and assume that's just gonna be like yesterday. It's just gonna be like 2 years ago. But yeah, that's like what has transformed my days every morning. I've just been waking up and, you know, reminding myself I don't know anything. I don't even know myself, really. I have so much more of myself to unfold into, you know? You think you know me? Well, I don't even think, and maybe I sound like a crazy person at this point, but like, you're not like this like object that never changes, and you can change in whatever direction you want, and there's never not one moment where you don't have that power to change yourself. And I know it feels like you're out of control sometimes, but sometimes you just have to stop resisting, realize you don't know everything, you don't even know much. You know the sky is blue from your perception, but like, shit, man, what if my blue is different from your blue? We'll never know the difference. You're either with yourself or against yourself, and if you're with yourself, you know how infinite you are, you know how timeless you are, you know, you're so timeless. Your body and your mind, they are in time, but you are the beingness, and that's like that's timeless. That's completely and utterly timeless. Our bodies and our minds will age, and that's what will remind us that there ain't no time to give a frick about anything. That's why I have this YouTube channel, say this caca. I don't know, I hope this video made sense to you guys. I always get a little nervous whenever I upload deep talks like this, because I'm like low-key scared I'm gonna look like a crazy person and sound like a crazy person, but I know you guys are the dopest viewers ever and you understand me when I say shit. So please comment down below if you understood what I was saying, your thoughts on it, if it was helpful to hear anything. I love you guys so much, and I hope you have a beautiful day or a beautiful night, and I will see you in my next video on Monday. Bye guys.